Hello students, good morning. Standard 8 subject Honeydew. Macbeth the Magistrate Cat poem. Select the most appropriate options and as answers and complete the following sentences. Put the letter A, B, C, D or D corresponding to the correct option in the box given against each question. Macbeth, also called the Magistrate Cat, goes by a more unusual name. Who is the master criminal that has inspired a poem? D. Macbeth leaves Scotland Yard in bafflement, but who does he leave in despair? C. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a blank stare. D. In the poem, Macbeth is described. What kind of cat is he? A. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a. What does he move like? D. When a crime has been discovered, where is Macbeth? C. Who loses some plans and drawings in the poem, blaming Macbeth for their loss. D. When the authorities go to find him, he is either resting or licking of his thumbs or doing some unusual activity. Which activity does the Magistrate Cat engage in? B. Who always states that when a treaty or some plans and drawings have gone missing, that it was Macbeth who is to blame? C. Answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences each. First, how does the poet describe Macbeth and his pranks? Macbeth was a male cat. He was a clever criminal. He had no fear of law or the police. He escaped from the scene of crime before the police arrived there. He was tall and thin. He was careless about his clothes and whiskers. He moved like a snake and pretended to be asleep. He was in fact a devil in the shape of a cat. He was weak and morally corrupt. Second number, how does the poet support his statement there is no one like Macbeth? The poet calls Macbeth a master criminal. He could make a good escape before the police came to the scene of crime. He befooled the detectives and the flying squad. He was an outlaw. He was a master in his field. He was matchless, a devil in the shape of a cat. Who does Macbeth fool and confuse? Macbeth is a master criminal who ever challenges the law. He deceives even the famous investigatings agencies like Scotland Yard and the Flying Squad. What is the most remarkable thing about the Macbeth? Macbeth has broken every human law. He even possesses several supernatural powers such as the levitation which makes a person rise in the air. He is such an expert that when the police reach the scene of crime, Macbeth is not there. 5 number. What is the connections between the fakir and power of the levelations? The fakir are escapists who live on alms. They possess supernatural powers and perform miracles. The poet says the Macavity can outshine a fakir in his power of the levelations. The way he rises and the hovers in the air and the escapes from the skin of crime is beyond one's imagination. Okay, next. Read the following stanzas and answer the questions given below them. How unlawfully does Macbeth act? Macbeth disavows all human laws and also the law of the gravity. What is said about Macbeth's powers of levelations? Macbeth's levelations is so powerful that it causes of fakir to share bewildered. Where is Macbeth not found? When the investigators reach the scene of crime, Macbeth is not there. Their poet says that we may search him in the basement or we may look up in the air, but Macbeth is not there. What metaphor is used for Macbeth? Macbeth is called a ginger cat here. Describe the appearance of the Macbeth. Macbeth's eyes are deeply sunken in. This cat has line on his forehead, stabbed with thoughts. He has a head that is highly domed, while his coat is untidy and his whiskers are uncombed. What is the deceitful about the Macbeth? When we think that Macbeth is half asleep, he is always wide awake. क्वेश्चन को रीड करना आफ्टर आंसर. What does the poet say? There is no one like Macbeth. The poet says there is no one like Macbeth, as he has a devil in the disgust of the cat. He has the monster of the weaknesses. Which adjectives are used for Macbeth? What do they suggest? The adjectives used for Macbeth are devil in the shape of a cat and monster of moral corruption. How smart is Macbeth in the avoiding arrest after committing a crime? Macbeth is very smart in avoiding arrest after committing a crime. One may meet him in a by street or in the square, but when the crime is discovered, Macbeth is not there. ओके, सो ये पोएम का हमने वर्कबुक और टेक्स्ट बुक की सारी एक्सरसाइज कर दी। वापस रिपीट कर रही हूँ कि टेक्स्ट बुक का जो है वो कंपलसरी नोटबुक में लिखना है। पोएम अभी हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके।